Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to import TikTok songs and audio into CapCut. So to do that, open your CapCut application on your personal computer, then sign in to your TikTok. After you sign in to your TikTok, you can see now the authorized CapCut desktop to access your TikTok account. So click authorize and you are now signed in to your CapCut. Click Open CapCut application to open your CapCut. You can see now on your CapCut application on your desktop computer that you are now signed in to your TikTok account. It's important to sign in to your TikTok account to import TikTok songs and audio into CapCut. It's a easy way to do that. Now, to see your TikTok songs and audio into CapCut, just click the audio at the upper right corner, and you can see now that I don't have available audio from TikTok because I didn't save it on my TikTok account. But if you save songs and audio on your TikTok account, you can see those songs here. So that's how to import songs and audio into CapCut. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.